Hey, what's up everyone? This is gonna be your second video of the bash scripting course. So last time we talked about how you navigate on your command prompt, how you copy files, move files, delete files, and so on. In this video, the first thing we're gonna do here is to first download a program. It's called Notepad++. It's really good if you're doing bash scripting or any other programming languages on Windows. So we can just go to Google, and then just type here download Notepad++. Go to our website, first link, and then download it. Save. Alright. Then here we're going to install it. Just do next, I agree, next. Install. Okay, run it. So with this program, you can create your batch scripts and it changes colors. It's really good for your eyes if you're reading, if you have a really long script. So I'll show you the difference now. So here, let's just create a text file. Call it my batch. Hit enter. So if you, this is gonna be a normal text file for your batch script. I'm just gonna show you the difference here. So I'm just doing blah 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 echo. So everything is gonna be the same color. It's really annoying sometimes if you have a really long script. So close this one. Here, first thing you need to do is to go to the language, B for batch scripting, and just choose batch. You can of course choose everything else here. So B and then batch, and then you're good to go. You can create your batch script here, and then once you're done you can save it, or you can open a file like this one. You can edit it in Notepad. Okay, it's like you can do it either way. So we can just delete this one. So how do you create your batch script? Like I said, you can create a text file. It's really simple. You can give it a name, batch script, and then the only difference is you need to remove the extension from our. You just rename it from text.txt to bat, bat. Bat is short for batch. So hit enter. Yes, that's it. This is your batch script. You can now edit with any text editor and write whatever you want. Right? It's really simple. We don't need that one now. We can just delete it because we will be using this one. So the first thing you need to do when you create a batch script is to do echo off, or like at echo off. And of course here you need to pause it. Why? Let's open a command prompt here. So we will be discussing the first command here. It's called echo. By the way, echo is not only on DOS or command prompt, it's on everything. Linux shell, bash, Z shell on Linux, Mac OS, everything. So echo, and then you type anything you want. So like hello world. Hit enter. It basically displays whatever you typed here on the screen. Hello world, right? So, but this is not gonna work in batch script because remember, you're doing this from the command prompt itself. But if you close this and do the same thing here, First, let's try it without the echo off. Echo hello world. Save it. It will ask you be in administrator mode. Yes, and then yes again. What happened here is you are actually editing this file as administrator. Okay, so now we're going to save it to our desktop. We're just going to save it to our desktop. Here's lesson 1. Save. Here's the file. If you double click this file, watch what will happen. Did you see anything? Nope. Why? First, because it's really fast. I mean, everything happens just like in an instant. So you don't get to see anything. So what to do now? You need to see what was going on, right? You want to see the output. So that's why we need to put here another word called pause. So pause will actually tell the batch script, okay, after you execute this command, please just stop until I close the window myself. Okay, we will save it again. Oh, okay, now we can see it. So check this out. The first thing it tells you where exactly you're executing the DOS, because when you say echo, right, this is a command, a CMD command, right? So it tells you, okay, first thing we need to do is to start cmd.exe. That's the binary file of the CMD, the command prompt. If you do here CMD and then hit enter, this is how you open the CMD, right? So it gives you all the information. CMD was started with whatever, blah, blah, blah. And then you are actually on C Windows, and then you executed this command, echo hello world, and now you did the pause and then press any key to continue. Well, that's a lot of stuff. Yes, that's a lot. That's how you need to put here at echo off. Check the difference. Save it here. Well, most of the stuff, hold on just a second. We'll start with the above path as the current directory are not supported. Oh, okay. Why is that? Because I'm using Mac and I'm using parallel desktop applications. So actually I'm executing this from my Mac's home desktop. It's kind of confusing. So, but this on your Windows, it'll be different. It won't give you that. But okay, let's copy this to another directory, like the official desktop. Just put it here. Delete this one. Okay, let's just open it from here. See? Nothing there. This is gonna be on your Windows, don't worry. So just hello world and nothing else, right? That's good. So let's edit again. So this is how you create a batch script, right? Really simple. So now, again, if you want to, you don't have to delete this, by the way. If you want to do the echo on, you don't have to delete this to see everything. You can just do echo on. So do I need, or in the future, do you need the echo on or echo off? I mean, do you really need it? Yes, you need it. When? Sometimes you don't see errors, right? You want to see all the details so you can troubleshoot your batch script. How do you see that? You need to turn it on, because remember, if you turn it off, you don't see anything, as we just mentioned. So you have to turn it on to see errors on the screen. Like what exactly happened that gave you that error. We will see that in the future, but sometimes, yes, you need to turn it on. So, okay, let's just turn it off. That's it. This is your first batch script. Next video, we will get to the variables and then we will take it from there. Alright guys, see you next one.